Cooking equipment works better and lasts longer when maintained properly. Follow these tips to help keep your Imperial equipment performing at its peak and with less downtime. Imperial's Radiant Broiler features stainless steel burners and reinforced cast iron radiance to provide even heat and perfect grill marks. Daily maintenance. Remove large pieces of food residue and carefully scrape spillovers from the drip tray below the cooking surface. All stainless steel body parts should be wiped regularly with hot soapy water and with a liquid cleaner designed for this material at the end of each day. Do not use steel wool, abrasive cloths, cleansers, or powders. Periodic maintenance. Cast iron grates should be scraped with a wire brush frequently and periodically soaked in a hot water solution to remove grease from the pores of the cast iron. If it is necessary to scrape the stainless steel to remove any encrusted materials, soak in hot water first to loosen the material, then use a wood or nylon scraper. Do not use a metal knife, spatula, or any other metal tool to scrape stainless steel. Scratches are almost impossible to remove. Never expose the grates to extreme heat for the purpose of burning off excess grease. This practice will shorten the useful life of the grates.